Have you ever sat back and watched the days go by? Some days seem gray, some days are rainy day, but like...
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Big Bear the Bear in the house. How's everybody out there doing today? As you guys already know, ooh yeah, Valorise, from the company that reached out to the Big Bear the Bear with this wonderful 2005 collaboration. Thank you guys for the gaming headsets, the UG-08S, real raw and uncut, and also you can get them in different type of colors. You can get them in white colors, you can get them in the black colors, and also the blue color, real raw and uncut by Valorise. Now, these headsets right here are featuring 7.1 surround sound, noise cancellation, and also some wonderful glowing RGB lighting. So let's open it up and see what we got going on these Valorise gaming headsets. Like I said, y'all, featuring 7.1 surround sound, also noise cancellation. Let's see what we got going on. And like I said, y'all, make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe. We got some stuff falling out in the back here. As you guys already know, we got the package with the wiring in it. And as you guys can see right here in the box, it comes with the charging cable right there, real raw and uncut, as I can show you guys real close up. Also, you get some 3.5 millimeter wiring right there. So this wiring, meaning that you can also have it wired, hooked up to your controller as well if you don't even have any compatibilities with the USB connections as well. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people already got USB connection out there. But yeah, so let's see what we got going on in this great package, real raw and uncut. Oh yes, the Valorise gaming headsets. They come in a great package right there, as you guys can see. Now let's take it out and get the packaging off of here and see what they are about. Hopefully I can bring you guys the great sounding. Oh my gosh, these things is looking nice and so comfy on your ears. So here we go with the close-up of the Valorise gaming headsets, as you guys can see right there that I'm bringing you guys. Voice box right there comes out right there. As you guys can see, it's extendable. The mic right here, it goes in and out. And what we got going on right here as well, we have all of the volume right there, as you guys can see. You can also mute the headphones as well. It has the power button right there, as you guys can tell right there. Close up right here on the camera right there, real raw and uncut. Yes, and let's turn them on and see what we got going on. And also we have the mute button right there. See the mute button? The mute button's on this side. I am really liking the finish of these gaming headsets. They look really clean. Really wholesome and husky. That's what I like about them. So let's turn them on and see if they already have any powered on. And as you guys already know, they are already powered on. So give me a minute. Oh, okay. So basically the bright side about these headsets is when you turn them on, they automatically already light up with the RGB lighting on the left and the right side of the headsets, because most of the times when you get headsets, you have to have the dongle in, or you have to have some type of connection in order to get the RGB lightness to work as well. So we are going to see if these things work straight up out of the box. Now let's put it on my head and see, you know, what they feel like as well. Oh my gosh, they are feeling nice. Let's see how long the microphone is. And the microphone is very long in length. That goes not too close to your mouth, but it goes like right here to your mouth. So that way when you talk, you don't stagnate the microphone with putting too much air, or, you know, saying over-cluttered words when you are actually, you know, live streaming or actually playing like games like Call of Duty and Fortnite and Pub and, you know, all sorts of, you know, any type of games that you like to play online. So yeah, I'm liking the really cool fit of them as well. Real raw and uncut. These looking very nice. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so these are the Valorise gaming headsets, as you guys already know right there, real raw and uncut. And we are going to do a testing of them to see how they actually sound. And also we have a USB connection, as you guys can see. Let me get it out the box right here. Now this right here is a double combo USB connection. So right here you get a USB-A right there, real raw and uncut, real close up, as you guys already know. And then you take the top off right here and you get a USB-C connection, real raw and uncut, as you can tell right there. So here we go. both of them right here, both of the connections, the C and also the A right there for your gaming connection with these Valorise gaming headsets. And like I said, y'all, featuring 7.1 surround sound, RGB lighting all around, rear on uncut, noise cancellation. Oh, whoa, and 3 clickable buttons of great settings, as you guys seen on these great headsets. What more can you guys get up out of these headsets as well? So let's see what they sound like. Y'all, we are here giving you guys a sounding of what the Valorise gaming headsets sound like. The UG-08S, rear all uncut, as you guys already can see right here where I showed you guys. Now, this is a testing of what I'm showing you guys. Let me know what you guys like about them. I think they sound pretty decent. They sound pretty good as well. I have them in wired mode to give you guys a more in-depth sound because, like I said, y'all, I use a lot of my headsets in wired mode when I'm using my Elgato capture card, when I'm live streaming, to actually being able to voice chat through my gaming consoles on PlayStation and Xbox, and also Nintendo Switch for whatever games I'm playing online, which is Call of Duty, Fortnite, or you know, Marvel's Rivals, or any other type of game that I like to play as well. But as far as the sound, y'all, they are really good to have. I like the bulkiness. I like the way they fit tight on your head. They're all snugged, and there's no way these headsets are going to actually fall off. And another thing too, they are actually hold on. They are glasses friendly. So if you wear glasses, you can put your glasses in very snug right there. The glasses don't even fall out to, you know, people are out there that wear glasses as well. The cushions on both sides of the headsets, they fit real nice on your ear. There's no irritation. They fit like, you know, a pillow, you know, very soft with the ear cuffs. Yeah, so like I said, y'all, I like to thank Valorise for, you know, sending me the headsets for collaboration. And like I said, y'all, I'm going to put these on my Amazon affiliate store. So check the link that says buy here right now. And if you purchase it through Amazon, it helps me with commissions as well with the sales. And go get you a pair. And like I said, they got 4 different colors. They have the black color, which I got. They got the white colors. They got the pink colors. And also they got the camouflage colors as well. Y'all make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe, and leave these likes and share these videos. Because like I said, I'm only bringing unboxings of collaboration videos, and also keeping my other gaming related videos through my vlogs only. And I'll see you guys next time. Y'all have a nice day. Oh yeah.
Have you ever sat back and watched the days go by? Some days seem gray, some days